IP security is a suite of protocols which was designed by Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF) to protect data by signing and encrypting data before it is transmitted over public networks. The IETF request for comments RFCs 2401 to 2409 defines IPsec protocols with regard to security protocols, security associations and key management, and authentication and encryption algorithms. IPsec is a framework of open standards for encrypting TCP/IP traffic within networking environments. IPsec works by encrypting the information contained in IP datagrams through encapsulating. This in turn provides network-level data integrity, data confidentiality, data origin authentication, and replay protection. Online financial institutions and private servers most commonly use IPsec in order to protect customers' financial information and identity. However, any software system can also use IPsec in order to create a secure connection between two or more devices. IPsec is described in RFC 3193, securing L2TP. Using IPsec, the primary features of IPsec are authentication, protects the private network and private data it contains. IPsec secures private data from man-in-the-middle attacks, from attackers attempting to access the network, and from an attacker changing contents of the data packets. Encryption conceals all the actual content of data packets so that it cannot be interpreted by unauthorized parties. IPsec can be used to provide packet filtering capabilities. It can also authenticate traffic between two hosts and encrypt traffic passed between the hosts. IPsec can be used to create a virtual private network, VPN. IPsec can also be used to enable communication between remote offices and remote access clients over the internet. IPsec operates at the network layer to provide end-to-end encryption. This basically means that data is encrypted at the source computer sending the data. All intermediate systems handle the encrypted portion of the packets as payload. Intermediate systems, such as routers, merely forward the packet to its end destination. Intermediate systems do not decrypt the encrypted data. The encrypted data is only decrypted when it reaches the destination. IPsec interfaces with the TCP/UDP transport layer and the internet layer and is applied transparently to applications. IPsec is transparent to users as well. This basically means that IPsec can provide security for most of the protocols within the TCP/IP protocol suite. When it comes to applications, all applications that use TCP/IP can enjoy the security features of IPsec. You do not have to configure security for each specific TCP/IP based application. By using rules and filters, IPsec can receive network traffic and select the required security protocols, determine which algorithms to use, and can apply cryptographic keys required by any of the services. The security features and capabilities of IPsec can be used to secure the private network and private confidential data from the following: denial of service attacks, DOS, data pilfering, data corruption, theft of user credentials. The security functions and features provided by IPsec are summarized below. Point 1. Authentication. A digital signature is used to verify the identity of the sender of the information. IPsec can use Kerberos, a pre-shared key, or digital certificates for authentication. Data integrity. A hash algorithm is used to ensure that data is not tampered with. A checksum called a hash message authentication code, HMAC, is calculated for the data of the packet when the packet is modified while in transit. The calculated HMAC changes. This change will be detected by the receiving computer. Data privacy. Point 2. Encryption algorithms are utilized to ensure the data being transmitted is undecipherable. Anti-replay prevents an attacker from resending packets in an attempt to achieve access to the private network. Non-repudiation, public key, digital signatures are used to prove message origin. Dynamic rekeying. Keys can be recreated during data sending to protect segments of the communication with different keys. Key generation. The Diffie-Hellman key agreement algorithm is used to enable two computers to exchange a shared encryption key. IP packet filtering. The packet filtering capability of IPsec can be used to filter and block specific types of traffic based on either of the following elements, or a combination of them: IP addresses, protocols, ports. How IPsec works. An IPsec enabled server or host contacts the client computer for a list of software and algorithms that both devices support. Once the software has been chosen, the client encrypts any data that is sent by using that specific algorithm so that only the server can decrypt the data by using the agreed upon public key. The IPsec enabled server will then re-encrypt any data that is sent back to the client in the same manner. The two devices will communicate in this way until the session has closed. A security association, SA, has to first be established between two computers before data can be securely passed between the computers. A security association, SA, is a relationship between devices that define how they use security services and settings. The SA provides the information necessary for two computers to communicate securely. Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol, IS-AKMP, and the IKA protocol are the mechanism that enables two computers to establish security associations. When an SA is established between two computers, the computer negotiates on which security settings utilize the secure data. The security key is exchanged and used to enable the computers to communicate securely. The Security Association, SA, contains the following. Point 1. The policy agreement, which dictates which algorithm and key lengths the two computers will use to secure data. The security key is used to secure data communication. The security parameters index SPI. With IPsec, two separate SAs are established for each direction of data communication. One SA secures inbound traffic. One SA secures outbound traffic. In addition to the above, there is a unique SA for IPsec security protocol. There are therefore basically 2,000 SA. ISAKMP SA, we're going to pause this.